In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to n8n. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools to enhance your workflow automation. First off, make sure you have your n8n workflow open. This is your starting point, the hub through which we'll connect Google Ads. Once you're viewing your workflow, you're ready to proceed to the next step, which is about adding nodes to your setup. Nodes in n8n are essentially the building blocks of your automated processes. They allow you to connect different services and applications, and here they serve as the link between n8n and Google Ads. Now look for the option to add node in your n8n interface. Depending on the layout, this could be a button or a menu item somewhere in your workflow editor. Adding a new node is crucial because this is where you'll define the action or integration you want to include in your workflow. After clicking on Add Node, a search bar will typically appear. This is where you'll search for Google Ads. The beauty of this step is that n8n's interface makes it easier to search and pinpoint the exact service you want to connect with. As you start typing Google Ads, you should see an option appear for it. Selecting this option will lead you to the next step in the integration process. Once you've found Google Ads in the search results, go ahead and add the node to your workflow. Adding the node effectively tells n8n to create a bridge between your workflows and Google Ads, enabling you to automate tasks involving your ad campaigns. It's worth noting that the built-in Google Ads node in n8n currently supports operations focused on retrieving campaign data. This means you can pull valuable insights about your ad campaigns directly into your workflow. However, let's say you're looking to perform actions not directly supported by the built-in node, like accessing unsupported endpoints. There's still a solution. In these instances, you can utilize the HTTP request node with the same credentials. This powerful node opens up broader capabilities by allowing tailored HTTP requests to Google Ads. Essentially, it serves as a workaround for the limitations of the pre-configured Google Ads node, giving you the flexibility to customize interactions to suit your specific needs. To ensure a smooth experience, double-check that your credentials are properly set up and verified. Proper credentials are key to seamless communication between n8n and Google Ads. And there you have it, a straightforward method to connect Google Ads to n8n, paving the way for efficient, automated workflows. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.